Hey guys, we received this Mr. Pen aesthetic highlighters for test and try. There are six pack, chisel tip, and the highlighters for the assorted colors. So the cute highlighters for the school or any other purpose. So let me just open the box and show you all the highlighters. So there are total six colors, and then the different nice colors that you can use to highlight your book or notes or anything. So this have a broad lines for highlighting or the narrow lines for underlining. I will show you that. So you can see like this is the broad lines and a nice purple color. This is a blue, like you can make it narrow because with a chisel tip you can just use the width or the narrow thing that you want to use. So nice light colors so that you can easily highlight, not so dark, but also nice to use. So very nice pair of highlighters with a nice cover and the case.